top of the top, my people. We have the open going on right now. Let's see what they're gonna do. All right, all right. We have the open in the building right here. See what we get. Okay, we go from there. Welcome back. Welcome back to the Ox 28 channel. Let's see what we got today in the market. The market looks bullish today. Let's see. All right, we see a bearish dollar today at the open and a bullish VIX. Makes no sense, but we're gonna go with it. All right, all right, all right. Here's London session. All right, my people, it's coming back down. See what we get here. We're gonna leave this right here.
Yo, I just got in NASDAQ.
All right, so the market's out right now. The order flow is not that strong around here. It looks like it wants to drop. from yesterday. And there it goes, dropping already. 650. Look at the bigs on steroids today. The dollar is a bitch. Not doing anything. But the order flow is kind of bearish. We're gonna let it go. We go from there. Yo, you see Nas what it's at right now? It's below the key level from yesterday, 0.30. You saw it? Be careful buying.
Yeah, it looks bearish as fuck.
Found you?
You know what's funny is I wanted to short above 200.
Mm. What is going on? The market's in fear today.
Yeah, Nasdaq is dumping, bro.
Mm-hmm. It might retest. Yeah, but that key level from last night, bro. This is the truth. You saw that shit. You saw how I went through it like a fucking yeah, bro. Esa vaina no falla. You probably didn't remember, right? That price when it was getting
Yeah,
there.
look at the big candle
The one
on
hour.
the left.
Mm-hmm.
Thinking about buying 50% of that candle. We already have 50%. 759, 695 is 61.8. 695.
All right, brand new candle. Let's see what this candle do here. But the market is so suspicious. Look at the VIX. Jesus Christ. The VIX is not playing games with nobody today. That's really, really aggressive. Yeah. No volveré a ser más. Look at that. So it looks like they following Nasdaq then. Nasdaq in the ES, because look at the ES and Nasdaq. It's dumping. So they following them. Maybe. Who knows?
This is 61.8 of that candle.
Mm-hmm. Yo, but the Nasdaq is dumping, my boy. Look at that. It's a nice drop right there. All right, we just hit. We just hit London high. Let's see what we get here. Might react to it. The market's moving crazy on this window, so we're usually gonna let the market do his thing before we identify what is it they're gonna do. Okay, look at this. We had to perfectly to London high, breaking retail. So it's a dilemma right now. If they're gonna go up or down. Look at the VIX. It's incredible. 20 points. That's not usual at all. Nope. The dollar is a little bit bearish, but the VIX is the one moving the market today. See what we got. right. Looks you wanna go up now. Let's see. Candle. Dangerous. Oof. At the moment, this is a lower high. Let's mark it. This supposed to be a high high. Gotta do this. If it stop here, it's a lower high. So it better come off from here to do a new high high. In the 15 minute, gonna make a new high high. So we're waiting for it to see what's going on. Bigger time frame. Still bullish. There's a low high here. It's a high low going on. We don't know how low it's gonna go though. The whole purpose of the whole thing to catch shit the right moment. So look, it was a high low, low high. The order flow is bearish. They sold a lot of contracts at 520 right here. You saw in the order flow 520, a lot of contracts. Let's see what happens between 520 to 500. That's the area right here. Brand new 5 minute candle coming up soon. This brand new candle right here. Look at that. Look at the Bex. The Bex is doing his thing. Bex is not playing with nobody. The dollar's still scared. They're just playing there. Look at that. Oi, oi, oi. Crazy. Uh, Let me call you back, Brody. That's wild right here. You see, they saw a lot. Fight. 520. That looks crazy.
We buying this 8 o'clock zone. Yo, NASDAQ.
Yeah,
Yeah, what the hell?
kept dropping it. Whoever I never seen the bigs that strong this year like that at the open. That's crazy. Look at this. That's 20 points right there. Look, that's crazy. And the dollar's not even moving. Imagine if the dollar come up to 600. It's gonna be a wrap. Okay, so take a look at this. The market reacted to 50% of the FIPS. So 50% of the FIPS got triggered. But we don't trust none of this yet. Wanna see clean, a clean thing. Something clean that I can go base off. It's not sure yet what's gonna happen. It looks good, but it's not. It's all random stuff. Look at that. Lower high, another lower high here. For sure. Overall, 50% retracement right there. And then you take the Fibonacci from here. It's gonna give you a 61% retracement. Still not that bad.
Your goal is to be tapped in the 8 o'clock zone now.
Okay, so we have another bounce of a London high. Well, let's see what they got here.
I had this fucking area marked out, bro.
Oh, that's a good reaction here. Let's see. It's 10 o'clock on the dot. You know what time it is. Morning time. Another reaction to the fine in the 20. Let's see. This will important right here. Let me mark it so I don't forget. This two key levels here. They really important. Really important. Zero. There you go. That area right there. Really important. There you go. It's a nice reaction. The other foot is a little bit bullish now. All right. Okay. So we have some reaction here. It don't be it don't be bad to buy a 500 or back to the London area. So we're gonna be looking into buy
Yo,
it.
check this out, bro.
Oh my gosh, look at that. That's wild. Look at that. The market never came back. Straight up. Who knows? Who knows?
Oh my god, that shit ripped.
All right. Take a look at that. We got the reaction, never came back to the 520 or the 500. The market's on steroids now. The big is dropping, and we were scared to not take the buy here at the London high because of how crazy the big was going in Nasdaq. And now the dollar is dumping. So this is wild. This is a wild day today for the market. I guess we were going based on the wrong instrument. We were going based on the bigs. It was too strong. That's why we hold our horses. to take the buy around London or even here, but it looks like it's based on the dollar then. Oh well, it is what it is. See what we get. We go from there.
I only need like 50% of this 5 minute candle.
That's a crazy candle right there. All time high again. Yeah, all time high. Crazy, crazy candle. Hmm.
I don't know what to do, man.
We got
Place
play,
my entry and that.
but it's all good. We're gonna catch. Okay, okay. It looks they're still going. Let's find out what they're gonna do later on. What is it? Oh, we definitely got play earlier by thinking that the market's gonna keep dumping. He never did. That is so good. He did a retracement from the open to the high. That's what it was. 70% retracement. Plus London, yeah, it was a lot of confirmation there. We just were overthinking because of this fucking bullish momentum, thinking it's gonna go lower. 78% retracement plus the London high key level breaking retest. Every confirmation in the herb was there. But you know, you see after it happens, as always. Let's wait to see what we get. If not, we just step away from it. so the market is between these two levels right here, 800 and 880. So between them, it's gonna play around for a bit. All right, my people. So it look like they on steroids today. They don't wanna drop it. It's all-time high, all-time high, all-time high, baby. They not playing. They not playing those games today. They're not about it. Look at the freaking Bex and the pussy of the dollar. All right. So look at that. How high is gonna go? We don't know. So hold on. Let me wipe all of this stuff here. Really all this stuff. We're not gonna just keep that. All right. Looks we have an all-time high here. See if the market comes back to this level here at least. At least. Because breaking retest is 650. Lately. Based on this. There you go. Break and retest. Who knows? That's absurd. what the market is doing, then we go from there. Eli now with 61% retracement, so it's not bad. But this high, all-time high, is really scary to short this shit here. You can, don't get me wrong, but when it's gonna stop, nobody knows. Nobody do. The order flow is kind of bearish, a little bit. We're gonna take a sell at 20. We'll take a sell here. Find out. Find out what they're gonna do. Let's take a sell here. At the 20. So you're living without us. No shit. Mm. All right. 980. The dollar's going up and the PEX. So they might drop it. Who knows? All right. Any news? Patron haven't tweet anything. No. It was an increase. not in. It looks really suspicious. Look at that. Then they still bullish. That's what it looks like now. It's still bullish.
Sit there and shop around 600 now.
This look this look like a mess here.
You got it.
Mm. That candle has 1 minute and 55 seconds left. The
Bring
dollar.
it down to 30 to like 35.
Uh-huh.
Or you gonna leave it at 60?
That's the that's a good question. It's a question of the day. It's all time high again, so how high is it gonna go? We're fishing, we don't know. We're fishing on like key levels where the market might reverse. But we don't know. We do not know. We're not psyches. Actually, no fucking body knows. Whoever tell you that they know, they lying. All right, looks like they fighting it. They fighting that price right there, 0.20. Or it might go to probably the 50 or the 60. They might retest that area right there. Or 0.80. Let's put that right there, 0.80. It's like another key level. The 50 and the 80. That's the next key level the market can retest from. Who knows? So it's on high, so anything can happen. Anything can happen. stop out on our other account, and this one we didn't. Crazy. All right, we got stop out there. So let's wait. See which key level it's gonna react to. All right, going to the zero now, 080. They not playing. Got rejected there, you see. Perfect rejection of the 80 key level. But you know it's all time. No. all right, guys. Let's see what they're gonna do here. They're gonna drop it or what?
Nah. After I get stumped,
All right,
look
guys.
down.
This type of movements is not it, so we're just gonna end it for the day because we're gonna do our own thing, which is outside of proper trading. So see you tomorrow, all right? Enjoy your day, most blessings.